Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I wanted to introduce to you week 2, what we have going on and whatnot. So anyways, typically what I do is click content, and then I have the marks for each week. So then I click week 2, just in case it's not already there. So it does look like a lot, but they go quick. But you know what? This is a college course, so you're going to have to spend some time completing the tasks and learning the objectives. So anyways, I posted the course schedule, which is here. So in that, it indicates the, well, actually, let me just click it really fast. So for each week, it lists what the assignment is, how many points, and the due date. So here are for each week. So I just, here we are. So I just wanted you to know that it's there. So that way you can keep track of things too. So, and then the discussion board is regarding the race car project. So what this is you choose 6 words that describe you. And there's 3 examples. And why are we doing this? 1, to build community, and 2, to get to know each other a little more. Hopefully I'll get to mine today, but I guess it's actually very, very interesting. And just explain why you chose those 6 words. Anatomy of an email. This is just a quick podcast. I think it's 1 minute. It tells you how to send a proper email and make sure that you have the correct elements in there. This is not only to be used when you email Ellie Lehman, it's also for future use when you have to email a professor. Learn how to make inferences. I did this quick podcast so that when you finish your cemetery project, you'll know how to make those inferences. Yes, in my videos when I was at the cemetery, I told you how to do that, but you're taking 2 facts. You're taking maybe the information that you researched online, maybe some facts from Ellie that she gave you, and for sure the elements or the facts that you identify or observe at the cemetery. So between those 3 quote-unquote sources, you're going to make inferences. I think I required 5. So just that's what we're doing, and put it in a little chart. This is the fact, this is the fact, and this is the logical conclusion. So this is a video to just explain it in a broader term. Cemetery project, again, to get credit, you need to CC me on the email to Ellie Lehman. You need to prove that you were there by taking a little selfie. And then you need to produce that multimodal project with the 5 inferences. So we have tons to choose from. It's a 7-page document, and you're going to post it on the discussion board, and it's worth 75 points. This is a quick video. Well, no, it's not quick. It's 7 minutes. And it talks about 6 rules of commas, and then you're going to take that quiz. And this is week 2 quiz. Writing process, you guys need to know that. So this is an instructional video. Please watch it and take notes. Essay organization, again, this is a video, and take notes when you watch it. And then this is an assignment. This is week 2 assignment. Bloom's explanation. So this is a quick video about blooms. And when I say quick, yes, it's quick. So the reason why we're doing the cemetery project is 1, so you can make inferences, but the inferences, when you make them, use a lot of brain power, and that is what an instructor's job is to do, is to get you to think, use your brain power, think deeper, and use the higher order thinking. And so this explains where that's coming from and the background behind it. This is old news, conference signups. I would love to just say hi and see what you're all about. Do the survey too, just so I can get to know you a little more, please. And then if you haven't done the writing terms, please do that as well. This is the study guide, and this is the quiz. It is 78 questions. But what I would suggest is get the study guide out and print it, or get it on another tab, and then make a copy of it because it is a Google Doc, and then take the practice quiz. And when you get something wrong, then you can highlight the word that you got wrong, and that way you know what to study. So anyways, I will be around. I see your assignments. They're raising their hands, waiting to get graded. So I do see them. Please know that I will get to them ASAP. And I really look forward to your questions, your comments, your assignments. So please know I'm here. I'm ready to help for whatever reason, you guys. I hope you have a great day.